Gridboard. Draw shapes by plotting points. Draw simple, two-dimensional shapes. Customize shapes. Set the properties of shapes such as color, line thickness, and more. Grid settings. Choose the type of grid and set its density.
In the following, we are going to show how to use the Gridboard app. Click on this icon to enter drawing mode. Click anywhere on the grid in order to place the vertices of a shape. If you click on a point again, you finalize the shape. Click on this icon if you wish to draw circles. In order to draw a circle, define its center and a point on the arc. Click on this icon to enter selecting and editing mode. Drag a selected point in order to edit a shape. With the help of these arrows, you can change the order of shapes. You can put a selected shape above or below the others. Click here if you wish to change the properties of a shape. Choose the color of the outline and the fill. You can also modify line thickness. There are 3 options to choose from. Click here in order to disable or enable opacity of the shape. Click on this arrow to undo the last action taken. Click on this arrow to redo the last action taken. With the help of the bin icon, you can delete shapes one by one. Click here in order to go to the settings, where you can set the grid density and grid type. There are 3 options each to choose from. Click on the home icon if you wish to clear everything from the grid. Click here if you wish to insert the app into mozaBook. If you wish to receive further information about our apps, please visit our website.